Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of the today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 11th. We continue with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, and we are outside. You can hear the noise, so let's get started. Alright, you see here in this row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no one in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 2. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. We see here the 2 and the 9, so no 2 and the 9 in this box. That means 1 digit left should be the 4. Here we have the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. And then, how about we have a pair, the 5, 6, and here also 5 and the 6. So no 5, 6 in this box, no 5 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and the 6 as a pair goes in these 2 boxes. Here we have a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Then we have 2, 3, 1, and these 2 numbers in the last row are the numbers 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 are the 1 and the 8. 1 and an 8. 1 and an 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And now, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 6 over there. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, here also 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be here. And now, let me see. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the second row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Yeah. The 2 and the 6. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 8 here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, here also an 8, no 8 there, the only place for the 8 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers missing in the third column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the numbers is a 1, we see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 and a 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The missing numbers 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 7, 3, 9. We have 3 missing numbers here. The 3 missing numbers are the 7, the 9, and the 3. We see here the 7 and the 9, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 2 numbers goes in those 2 boxes, 7 and the 9. So 1 digit left for the 3. And we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3, here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 7 and a 9, 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 5, 2 and a 5, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about 7 and 4. 9. Yeah. 7. 5. 8. 9. 7. 7, 2, 5, 1, and the 9. The 9 should be here or there. I think I need to. Yeah. We have a pair here in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 3 and the 6, so no 3 and the 6 in those 2 boxes. So we have a pair, the 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1, 4, and 5. Okay. Two numbers left. This third row, the 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 2. But in the middle column, I see 1. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. That means 1 box left in the third row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and the 3 goes there. Then can I do something with 2? Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box missing in this column for the number 5. We have in this big square 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 4 and the 5 and the 1. 4, 5, 1. I see here 4 and a 5, so no 4, 5 in this box. 1 digit left, should be the 1. Here we have the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Then we have 9, 7. 2 numbers left in this middle column, the 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 6. This should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes, no, 7 and a 9. I need 7 and a 9. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 boxes missing in this big square, the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box missing in this row for the number 9. 1 box missing in this row for the number 7. 1 box missing in this row for the number 1. Finished in 30 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku with 3 stars, I'm very pleased. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching again for this video, and we will meet again in a minute, and I will continue with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you later. Thank you, and bye bye for now.